All right, welcome back to another lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to continue from where we left. We are still looking at the text formatting. Okay, we are still in the font group. Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to focus on how you can make text bold. Okay, this B here stands for bold. Okay, we are also going to look at how we can change our text to italic, as well as how you can underline a word or rather a sentence. Okay, so that is what we are going to look at. Now, before you do anything, what you are supposed to do first is to highlight or select that part of text that you want to make some changes. Okay, so I want to make this title here to be bold. Okay, so the first thing that I'm supposed to do, I'm going to select or I'm going to highlight like that. That is very important. Okay, you are simply telling the computer to say this is the part where I want to make some changes. Okay, so once you have selected your text like that, you can click on B. Okay, that is bold. Okay, so let's click there. So as you can see, our text has now become more dark than the rest of the text. Okay, in other words, it has come out more than the other text. Okay, so that is what bold means. Now let's also look at how we can change our text to italic. Okay, so like I mentioned, the first thing also is to highlight. So let's highlight that text there. Okay, then let's click on I. So as you can see, now our text is looking like that. But before this, our text was looking like that. Okay, our text was looking like this. So when you change it to italic, your text is going to look like that. That is italic. Okay, the last thing that I want us to talk about is how you can underline text. Okay, in most cases we underline the title, okay, in our documents. Okay, so I want us to underline this title there. Okay, so you can select, then go to underline. U stands for underline. Okay, you can click on U there and you're going to have it underlined. Okay, you can also choose, there are some options there. You can choose the type of underline that you want there. So you have this one, which is double underline. You have this one, which is thick underline. So you have those options there. So you can choose whichever that you want. So that is how we underline our text. Okay, so these are three things that I wanted us to talk about. I wanted us to see how we can make our text bold, how we can make it italic, as well as how you can underline a sentence or a word in a document. Okay, thank you very much. Let's be together. Keep on following our channel. There are a lot of great things that are coming. Thank you very much.